Hey guys, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I'm here to present the dance, Chapter 2, Hunger and Affection. The song is The One, the artist is Omar Wilson, and the choreography is Jermaine Matthews of Common Ground, Paulette P.J. Jones, and Kelly Caldwell of IFE. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And here we go.
I want you more every day. I'll never run out of ways to please you, baby. Hey, I'll never leave you alone. Dear lover, you're the one that I adore. I'll never let you go. You're the one that makes me lose control. And you're the one I'll never let you go. I need you, I and I here today. You shine like sunshine, you're my golden lady. Hey, I'll never leave you alone. Hey, dear lover, you're the one that I adore. I'll never let you go. You're the one that makes me lose control. And you're the one I'll never let you go. You're the one that makes me lose control.
to be smooth. That is Chapter 2, Hunger and Affection. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. To book your room, to register, please visit our website at www.lminola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.